In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms. By the end, you'll know how to start a form from scratch or a template, customize it to your needs, and share it with the people who need to respond. First, open Google Forms in your browser. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll land on a simple homepage where you can create something new or pick up where you left off. This is your starting point. If you want a completely clean slate, choose the blank form option. This opens a fresh form with a default title and one sample question. Rename the form at the top so it's easy to recognize, and add a short description to tell people what the form is about. This makes your purpose clear from the start. If you've worked on a form recently, you'll also see a list of your recent forms on the homepage. Click the one you want to continue, and it will open exactly where you left off. This is a quick way to keep momentum without rebuilding anything. You can also browse the template gallery if you'd like a head start. Templates are pre-built forms for common needs like event registrations, feedback, or contact information. Open the gallery to see what fits your situation. When you find a template you like, select it. The template opens as your own copy, ready to customize. This can save a lot of time and gives you a clear structure to begin with. Next, edit the form so it suits your needs. Click into any title, description, or question to change the text. Use the question type menu to switch between short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop downs, whatever best captures the information you need. You can duplicate a question if you want the same format again, or delete anything that doesn't apply. You can add more questions or create sections to organize your form. Use sections to break a long form into logical parts, such as contact details and preferences. This makes it easier for respondents to focus and reduces form fatigue. Keep your questions clear and concise, and group related items together for a smoother experience. Once you're done, it's time to share. In Google Forms, you'll use the send button to publish and share your form. From there, you can copy a responder link to share anywhere, send it by email, or generate a link to post on your website or chat. Test the link yourself to make sure everything looks good. That's it, simple, flexible, and ready to collect responses.